JJ Bulldogs back here with another video just for you guys. So 6 weeks ago, I've been waiting to see if my package has shown up in the mail week after week after week, and this is how I feel. So guess what? This is why I'm actually going to be doing my Razer keyboard unboxing. Got package open. Okay guys, are you ready? Here is the first ever Razer keyboard. Hopefully you guys can see what it does. Can't wait to show you guys in the next video.